In this video, I want to talk about nipple confusion. I've talked about it a lot in my Baby's First Year series. This is something I have really suffered with Bracy that I did not suffer with to the same extent with my older babies. I'm filming another video that describes why I stopped supplementing. And the reason I stopped supplementing pretty much is that having to go from breast to bottle, and this did not have to do with formula versus breast milk, but it was too difficult for my baby. I was giving Bracy one big bottle of formula every evening, like a 10-ounce bottle of formula, and it was really confusing him, and he was not nursing well during the day. As soon as I cut out that big bottle, he started to nurse much, much better. Let me see if you want a little more while I'm doing this video. So anyway, this video here today, and a lot of this is in my Baby's First Year series, is about nipple confusion. And I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about what my experience has been. Bracy came home at 6 weeks from the NICU. And I was told at that point to give him 2 to 3 bottles a day. It was really, really tricky to know what to do. What happened is he was taking the 2 to 3 bottles well, but he wasn't breastfeeding well. And I don't think he was getting enough nutrition from those feeds. And during 2 separate weeks, my pediatrician didn't feel as if he had gained enough weight. My pediatrician then advised to breastfeed for 15 minutes and then give Bracy the bottle. That also was very tricky because he wasn't breastfeeding that well because he was just waiting for the bottle. So I sort of just kept battling this out. I never gave up. My pediatrician actually told me he found me to be very determined because I just kept battling it and battling it and battling it and trying to breastfeed him as much as I could, making sure that he got the nutrition that he needed, which was a minimum of 2 bottles. And I had a few weeks where the weight gain was good with those 2 bottles. As soon as I could, I went down to 1 bottle. And now, recently, only a week ago at 8 months, I cut out that supplementary bottle because Bracy wasn't, again, feeding very well from the breast. And when I cut out that bottle, he miraculously started to breastfeed a lot better. Right now, he's really tired and he's ready for lunch, but he actually breastfed really well. So when it comes to nipple confusion, please watch my Baby's First Year series because I go into it with great detail about everything I dealt with having brought this baby home from the NICU. At 6 weeks old. He was only at that point 36 weeks in terms of his gestational age. But when it comes to this whole issue of nipple confusion, my advice is battle it out as much as you can. Get your baby on the breast as much as you can. Feeding on the breast, sucking on the breast, anything you can do. Pump as frequently as you can, at least every 3 hours, to stimulate your body to produce the milk. And as soon as you can, try to cut down on the number of bottles per day. This is going to encourage your baby to breastfeed. And one other point that I think is kind of a miracle. I believe that when I cut out that bottle a week ago, even though Bracy's now 8 months old, that my body kicked into shape and started to produce more breast milk during his feeds than it had been doing previously when he was nursing less well. I could feel it. I could feel the letdown. I could feel my breasts getting bigger. And this is one of the main messages I've always wanted to parlay to you other moms when it comes to breastfeeding. It's like Winston Churchill said, never give up, never give up. As long as you're still nursing, you can see your milk supply go down and go up again if you keep consistently feeding your baby from the breast. And this is what I experienced with Bracy, even over the past week, 8 months old, that he was on the breast, sucking vigorously, and my body then responded by producing more breast milk. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to you. Please check out my other videos on breastfeeding. And thank you so much for watching Cloudmom.